My name is Travis Anderson. I'm the project manager for Future Sault Ste. Marie. The decision to rebrand the community came out of the Community Adjustment Committee, which was sort of the precursor to Future Sault Ste. Marie. So it originated in around 2015. At the time, the community was kind of reeling again from another boom-bust cycle. So SR Algoma Steel had been just entered into CCAA. Tenaris had pretty significant layoffs at their facility, and then OLG was also undertaking a strategic review, and its future in Sault Ste. Marie was rather uncertain. So the political leaders at the time, had the foresight to really move forward with looking at how we can kind of create a more resilient community, again with that four-pillar approach. And there were a number of recommendations that came out of that work, and one of the core recommendations was looking at a more consistent and professional and modern brand that we could use as a platform to help build community pride and really try to attract more people to the community, including more youth.
A brand is just so much more than a logo, as we've seen. It really considers your reputation to your stakeholders and the many ways in which your story is told. And this logo specifically told a story, but with it also comes a background story. So it really is a nice graphic representation of our city's core values.
I think we've been really bold and confident in terms of the branding that we're doing. It's very youth-centric. We made a conscious effort to really target youth with a number of our engagements. We engaged with overall about 750 individuals and organizations, and we really wanted to get a pulse of what it meant to be from Sault Ste. Marie from a young person's perspective, and then kind of utilize that information to create a brand that we could go out and position Sault Ste. Marie as a great place to live, work, and do business. So some of the things that we've learned going forward was really being confident in terms of the branding that you have and positioning yourself in this competitive environment as a great place with a great quality of life, and really trying to get that with the imagery, the experiences that people want to have in a community really visually represented. There's a number of initiatives that we are working on right now and certainly want to continue. And really it's about creating a great place to live, which is Sault Ste. Marie.